Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am Aishwarya Nair. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors, and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views, and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app from Google Play Store. Top headlines for today are: startups can be more successful with less government interference, says Piyush Goyal. SpiceJet to introduce drone delivery service Spice Express. Reliance Industries and partners to acquire Syntex Industries. Now the news in detail are: Piyush Goyal, the Minister of Commerce and Industry, addressing a gathering at the Science and Technology Park, stated that the less the government interferes in startup ecosystem, the more potential it will have to become successful. He also added that if I take the list of unicorns, almost none of them have taken government support to become unicorns. We have reduced the charges for startups and women entrepreneurs in patent filing, etc. Government can be a good facilitator. Domestic airline SpiceJet hopes to introduce drone delivery service Spice Express soon. It plans to customize drones of different payloads, including 0 to 5 kg, 5 to 10 kg, and 10 to 25 kg, which can potentially change supply chain capabilities. Reliance Industries and partners are bidding to take over bankrupt Indian textile firm Syntex Industries. Syntex provides fabric to global fashion brands including Armani, Hugo Boss, Diesel, and Burberry. Upgrad Education, which entered the Unicorn Club this year, plans to go public over the next 18 to 24 months. The company has so far raised $185 million from investors, the lowest among its major peers. Grofers, an online grocery delivery service that offers clients immediate delivery in just 10 minutes, has rebranded itself to Blinkit. The rebranding seems to suggest that Grofers will deliver products in the blink of an eye. The company also plans to raise $500 million in a fresh round of funding from existing investor Zomato. Flipkart is in advanced talks to lead a new $100 million fundraising round in a fresh produce supply chain company, Ninja Cart. This will be one of the largest investment rounds in a startup by the e-commerce giant as it seeks to expand its footprint in India's rapidly growing online grocery market. Zovian Pets, a pet supplies platform, has raised $100,000 in its seed round from VFounder Circle. The brand focuses on problem-solving pet products as well as grooming supplies. Home service marketplace Urban Company has concluded its fourth and largest employee stock option plan buyback program worth $7.3 million. According to the company, the latest transaction has been closed at a valuation of $2.8 billion. WhatsApp updates new privacy that will disallow non-contacts to see the last seen status of any individual. This new feature has been rolled out for both Android and iOS-enabled devices. Post this update, the unknown users will not be able to see your last seen and the online status. This will also further enhance the privacy of instant messaging platform users across the world. Masters Union Business School in Gurugram has released the names of the chief experience officers who will teach its upcoming cohort. According to the report, learners can take courses with CXOs from Johnson & Johnson, Tata, Razorpay, Oyo, Reliance, StanCharts, and others. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.